Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyal. In today's video, I'm gonna do a haul video again, but this haul video is regarding the Instagram accounts that I came across. And yeah, this is not a sponsored video. This is something I naturally caught my eyes on and I bought it. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Okay, so the first thing that I ordered is the footwear. I will link all the account names and everything in the description so you can check it out. Okay, so I've bought like 3 flats and they were in an offer and so cheap that I couldn't resist myself. I was getting any 3 flats for 550 only. You can choose your own flats according to your need. Like you can choose any 3 flats from their feed. And yeah, you will get it for 550 only, which is crazy deal. Okay, so I will show you what I got. First one are these pastel color slippers. I love the color so much. They are so pretty, and you know, pastel colors always lights up your mood. So I just love this color so much. They had so many colors in this particular flat only. They had yellow, white, pink and so many. So I chose this one. You need to scroll, the feed and choose your favorite one. It took a while for me and then I came across these best 3 for myself. Okay, so the next one are these. You might have seen this sort of design like everywhere. And even I have seen that, and on various sites the price are very high. So as soon as I saw this, I just wanted to grab this one. Like in 550 you get, like among 550 offer you get this one also, which is like crazy. So in this also they have many colors, like they had olive green, white and many more. I don't remember much, but they had colors. Okay, so you can check it out. Okay, so the next one are these. They are type of nude shades for me, and I wanted one nude shade flats, so I got one. And yeah, I just love the quality. The quality is not that cheap. It's quite good, and you need to give your size. My size was UK 5. You can give your size to them. They will ask you all the details accordingly, and they tell you that they will ship this order within 10 to 15 days, but I got it on the 4th day only, which is amazing. So it also depends on your location, where you belong to. According to that, I think it will take that much time. It's definitely not a fraud. So I will also rate it, that how much I liked it. So I loved shopping from them. I will give it 9.5 out of 10, and I will definitely check and buy more out from their page next time, definitely. Okay, so the next one is the bag. So I got this bag. Now this bag is like also quite trending now, and I had bought this I think 5-6 months ago. Yeah, definitely 5-6 months ago, and it is still in such a good condition. Show you the inside part also. Okay, you get one zip inside also, and you have quite minimal storage, which is great to carry your stuff. I love this chain pattern a lot, and as soon as I saw this on an influencer's story. So I checked their account and I was in love, so I wanted to get my hands on this one, and it has been a while I have bought this bag, so it is in a great condition. So I won't say that the quality is cheap or something. Quality is quite thick, and they had given it a great package. When I ordered this bag, I was given a date I think of 7 to 8 days or something like that. I don't remember exactly, but I received it within 3 to 4 days only. So again, depends on your area. If you receive it a bit late, that doesn't mean that they are fraud or something, because it is definitely not a fraud, as I had ordered it and I love the quality of it. Definitely gonna give it 10 on 10. Okay, so the next one is also a bag. I'm not a great fan of bag, but when I see such cute bags, I just need to grab my hands on them. Okay, so this bag is also something like, like this bag is also something like everyone, has one, like, because this is also trending a lot. And there are so many variety of colors in this. This bag I have not bought from the Gia store. I have bought it from ashi.co. It's her Instagram handle, and I got it for quite cheap price. It was for 650 I think, which is amazing. So the quality wise, the size of this bag from inside is much bigger than the previous bag that I showed you. So you can carry a lot of stuff in there. You have two sides, like one side is zip and one other side you have storage pocket made, which is amazing. The material is quite good. Like, it's that sort of material that if something comes on this, you can remove it with a cloth or something. It's that sort of material, like it won't get spoiled, according to me. Like, for this bag also, I think it has been 5 months, I guess. So it's in a great condition. I'm also gonna tell you one hack. I am sure that you guys know this hack, that if you want your purses to stay for longer, when you are done using them, you just need to put their handle, or what you say, the way you pick the purse, you need to put it inside the purse once you are done using it, and then put it in the same polythene bag that you received it. Okay, so many of you, like my friends and everything, ask me that from where I've got this cover, and the Instagram store name, I have mentioned it right here. It's, I think, Mobile Covers, and I will link all the accounts in the description also if you have missed out any of them, so you can check there also. And yeah, I got it in a very reasonable price. I got it for 350 including the pop socket, which is like a great deal. If you don't want a pop socket, you can just talk with that account, and according to that, I think the price can decrease or increase. And they have many options in this, and there is like a blue color, black color also in this, but I chose this one. I have also gifted a blue color to my friend. She also liked it. So yeah, you can definitely check it out. I have been using this cover for I think 1.5 years or 2, and it has fallen so many times, but it has never broken, touch wood. So I think quality is not at all bad, as it seems to look like plastic, but it has fallen like so many times. And unlike my previous cover, it used to break, like once it was fallen and it broke from the below portion, so that was like not a nice cover. This one has fallen so many times, like so many times. Still, it's in a great condition. So I think quality is not at all bad, so you can definitely check it out. Okay, so the next are the press-on nails, and these are from the Kiss Beauty. You can just see the packaging. I was in love with the package only when I received it, and I had ordered this also I think 7-8 months ago, or I think even more than that. And I have worn this I think more than 8 times now, and it's so durable, and I just love the quality. I will just show you how it looks. I have not kept it that well, the way they had given me, like very systematically, in a very pretty way. I have messed it up, definitely I can't. So they give you a nail glue with it, a whole set, nail glue, this one, and you also get wait, it's stuck. Yeah, you also get this thing to, while removing your nails, when they are stuck, you need to remove them. So you can remove them with this easily, very easily. So they give this, and they are given like in a very beautiful packaging. They also give you like a sheet where everything is written, how to remove your nails, how to put them, and everything like that. They give a sample also, and they give like you get 24 nails. That 24 is like so much. It's a lot, and I had received it for I think 650 rupees, I think, yeah, which is not at all bad, as before checking their account I had checked like many accounts of press on nails, but they were quite costly, like some were like for 1000 and more. So I didn't wanted to buy something so expensive, so I was trying to look for a cheaper account. So I got this one, and that doesn't mean that they're cheaper, so their quality is also that cheap. The quality is also so amazing. I had choose the nude color. I choose nude as I could wear it with each and every outfit, and it actually goes amazing with each and every outfit. And literally, trust me, I have worn it so many times and it's still like, alive. Last but not the least, I am being publicizing all the Instagram accounts. Then why not to publicize my own small business that I am handling? So I also have a small business of scrunchies where I sell these cute scrunchies. I have variety of colors with me. Now let me show you more. I have a lot. I'm just showing you these many right now. Okay, so these scrunchies are made of satin. As you all know that satin is like so good for your hair. And I also personally wear scrunchies only. So, and I sell them in such a low rate. Like I sell them in 35, and I also have offer going on. So you can definitely check my account. Guys, this is not a sponsored video, and I have this is my personal experience buying through Instagram stores, and it was definitely a very great experience. As you can see, all the products that I've received are not at all, something I hate buying or like that. So you can definitely check the accounts if you want to, if you felt anything like caught your eyes. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked my video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, press the bell icon, and I see you in the next video. Bye.